Hello everyone. So as you can see, I've got four 12-volt batteries that I've wired in series to make 48 volts for my inverters. The problem I had was that they would get out of balance within a matter of weeks. So thanks to something a friend of mine got me, a nice little battery equalizer. Here it is. This is no longer a problem. So what I'm going to show you now is them balanced. All right, let's see if I can do this while holding the phone. It's the first 12.66. Second one 12.72. Third one 12.68. And last of all 12.83. It's a little high, but it's okay. So I've made a little spreadsheet of the results over the time I've been doing this. Here are the dates and times. Here are the voltages of each of the batteries with the balancer connected. The variance and what they made the system voltage. As you can see, pretty damn close. So one last look at it. Here it is. It's fairly nondescript. And if you'd like to know more, I'm going to put a link to it in the description.